Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a battery replacement. First thing what you want to do is pop open the hood. You would need to locate that inside the car. Then lift up the hood. Then you'll have full access to your battery. I will show you how to clean the terminal. If it has too much corrosion, then obviously we need a wire brush at this point. But I do have baking soda and mixed with water. Filled it up, probably about like that much. Went a little bit excessive on the baking soda, and then we'll just go ahead and pour it slowly, let it do its thing, and then just pour over a little bit more. The baking soda will do its job. If you don't care about the cup, if you are using a disposable cup, then you can actually let the terminal soak inside the baking soda, and it'll actually do a better job of cleaning it. But this will still work out the same. For this job, I'm going to be using a 10mm to take off the bracket first. If your car does need a cam unit, which is called a keep alive memory, you would need to plug that into the OBD2, but we don't need to worry about that for this specific car. If your car requires that, I would recommend you to look at your owner's manual. Now on the bottom of this, the battery hold downs, just make sure that these hooks go back into place when reinstalling. Negative always comes off first. Then positive. Now be careful, you don't want to get this acid on your clothes. So now, once our terminal is pretty much cleaned up, dispose of this properly. Then rinse off your area with water. Then we're going to go ahead and install our acid pads. We'll set these on the bottom of that, and that will basically absorb as much acid as possible before destroying your terminals. Then we'll put the positive on first. Make sure that the negative and the positive do not touch at that moment. And then we will connect our negative once we put down our fold down tray. Now make sure you don't over tighten the battery, because you can damage the battery during that process. Then we'll go ahead and put on our negative cable. Wiggle these back and forth to make sure that they're not loose. Then I'm going to be using a battery spray protector. You can use gel-like base too as well. This is more like a red paint. After you're done with the job, you'll go ahead and put that right back on. And that's how to replace a battery. Some cars, they require you to, there's certain procedures like Toyota, the car will turn off and turn back on. Then there might be some idle, like hard idles, where the car will run idle pretty rough after a battery replacement. And Chrysler products, I believe you have to hold on the gas pedal for like 3 to 5 minutes, like at a 2000 RPM motion, if the car keeps stalling right out. So, but then again, I hope this video helps you out. If it does, comment below, give it a thumbs up, and then hit that subscription button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.